Hi guys, this is a video about setting up a Slumberpod. Just received a Slumberpod for my little guy, and gonna be setting it up. It's really simple. First thing you want to do is figure out the inside and the outside, and those are the sticks that come with it. The sticks have to be set up all connected before you do anything. But you can disconnect them, as you can see, just by pulling them like that, and then connect them back by inserting them. So you get two sticks, and they're gonna form like a crisscross setup. And you got little things that you can insert them through. So just be cognizant of that you're gonna be ending. So this is what it looks like if you look at it top down. And basically you're gonna have one stick going through that way and another stick going that way, and then make like a cross. So here goes. All right, so I've connected the wires, the sticks, they're all connected. As you can see, it forms like a little V shape. And then I got my Slumberpod in a place where it's facing down, and I'm just gonna feed all the wires, like I said, through the side, and then fit them through these little holes. It's very simple to set up. Actually, I didn't have the instructions for this, but just figured it out. So that's gonna go one way, and then another stick is gonna go through this way, and that will be pretty much it. So I'm gonna start working on that, and you guys can keep you posted. So I'm starting with one wire. I'm gonna feed it through here. And that other wire is gonna, I call it a wire, but it's essentially a stick. Feed it through all these. So essentially just keep feeding. I think you guys get the gist of it, which is just everything is getting fed through there and getting set up that way. So I have done the first side. So for first stick, I was going through with no issues, very simple to set up. As you can see, at the end, you fit it in there, fit it in these little strips, these little holes, fit it in this space, and you're all set. So it's just a matter of putting the second stick in, and we should all be done. So as you can see, I am putting the second stick into the Slumberpod, and this one is more challenging, obviously, because the other stick is holding the material together as it stands. But the beauty about this Slumberpod is all these sticks can be detached. They're like each a foot long. So if it's not bending over, just simply detach it like I would here. And then once you put it into the feed, then go ahead and reattach it. So that's just remember there's tricks to circumvent any of those challenges. So I'm gonna keep feeding this on, and we should be done here in no time. All right, guys. So I am standing inside the pod. I had to do a little maneuvering because putting in the second stick was a little more of a challenge. So I had to flip it over on its head, and to the point where I could get in and feed the rest of the wire in, because it's just was a bit of a challenge doing it while letting it lay down. So but if you can do it, that's up to you. But for me, I had to like essentially flip it over, and pretty much to the point where, but yeah, it's complete. Set up, And this is what it looks like from an angle. Of course, the size is different, but yeah, it's very, very basic setup. You got your there you go. And there it is, all set up, good to go. My son is ready to jump in. So, pretty simple setup. So this is completely closed and the kids are in the crib and completely dark in there. So it's perfect. Hi guys, so this is where you put the Slumberpod over a crib and it looks perfect. You can close it out, total darkness in there. Your kid will be comfortable. He will not be disturbed by any noise. And this is perfect. And if you have a monitor, you can place your monitor here. There's a pocket where you can stick your monitors. I have one of these monitors. I think it's Viv or Vava, one of them. But you can insert your monitor in there so you can see what's happening with your kid. But this pocket comes in handy because, you know, you want to keep an eye on your kid, but at the same time, you don't want them disturbed and you want them secure in the Slumberpod. But you can use this pocket to stick your monitor in there and keep an eye on your kid while they're in there. So perfect fit, goes over the crib perfectly. When you close it, it's totally dark in there. You can't tell between night and day, and highly recommend it, especially for travel purposes. Thanks for watching the channel. Take care. Bye.